And a long-time beloved food service worker, Miss Elva Salinas. Let's give them one more round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a picture with the ladies if y'all want to stand in the middle. Come on, girls. Come on, Luis. All right, up next we're going to recognize our cheerleaders. First we have freshman All-American nominee Alexia Hernandez. Next we have freshman All-American cheerleader Eneli Martinez. Freshman Leslie Sanchez. Sophomore All-American nominee Aiden Garcia. Sophomore Haley Garza. Sophomore All-American cheerleader Sofia Hinojosa. Junior Janelle Hernandez. Junior All-American cheerleader Brianna Martinez. Junior Cameron Navarro. Sophomore co-captain All-American nominee Aaliyah Hernandez. Senior captain, feeding forward, All-American cheerleader Kaylee Ann Cruz. And last but not least, freshman Tahoe the Warrior, All-American mascot Luis Sanchez. Alright, up next we'd like to recognize our cheerleader of the week. And this week it is Miss Haley Garza. Next we got our football captains for this week. And this week our football team is going to play George West here at home, Friday, 7:30, so come out and support our boys. First captain, Nate Ortega. Come over here with the girls so we can do your slash. Next, Mark Lucio. Next, we got Mr. Nicholas Sanchez. And lastly, we got Mr. Jose Guzman. And now our football boys, captains, are going to make a little speech so you guys can come out and support them. We'll start with Mr. Nate Ortega.
Make sure y'all come out and get them all the awards. Hey, let's beat those Reds. Let's go Warriors.
All right. Round of applause for our captains this week. Great job. All right, up next we're going to play our game. And this week's game is glow-in-the-dark musical chairs. So we can get some music here and play a little low, lower it on your phone. We're going to need 3 sophomores, 3 freshmen, 3 juniors, 3 seniors, 3 band members, and 3 parents. So if you want to play musical chairs, come on down. Let's get some music going while we get ready. Cheerleaders, if you can help me count, make sure we got 18. Make sure we got 18. Guys, if you're ready to play, find a chair and stand in front of the chair so we can count. Ladies, come on now. Find a chair, find a chair. Find a chair. Ready to find a chair. What's up, Sebastian? No cowboys, baby. Good job, Sebastian. Three parents. Yeah, find a chair. Did we already get 3 band members? Alright. Don't worry about it. Worry about that. Find a chair. Here we go. Find a chair. Girls, help me count. Help me count. What do we need? One more? Andrew, are you in? If you get any parents, we have some parents coming today. Hold on. Do you have any room or not? Alright. Where are my seniors? Get you many seniors. Other freshmen? Freshmen? Okay, take some out. You pick. Take them out. The sun goes down. Whatever you want. How many pairs do we have? 3? 2? Okay. You sure? Alright, we want to see how long. Alright. Here we go. Alright, so the rules of the game, musical chairs. So we need to take out 1 chair. So let's take out this chair, because now everybody has a chair. Your hands have to be behind your back. Your hands have to be behind your back. Everybody. Hands have to be behind your back. Ladies, gotta make a circle here. And make sure we're not pushing. No pushing. No stealing chairs. No messing around. Alright, be very careful. Let's have a fun, clean game. When the music stops, you gotta find a chair. Sebastian, are you ready? Hello, baby. JJ, are you ready? Ronnie, you ready? Big Mike, you ready? Alright, here we go. Up. Slowly. Keep walking. Keep walking. JD, oh, there's another chair. She went good. All right. Sebastian, are you out? Sebastian's not out? Did you have a chair? All right. Who's out? All right, Sebastian, sit there. Girls, can you take out a chair? Two leaders, take out a chair. We got it? All right, here we go. Music. No pushing. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Stop. Hey, the music didn't stop. Keep going. Now you found a chair. Find this already around. All right, here we go. Take out another chair. Follow instructions when the music stops. Please stop. Who's out? Who's out? Sebastian, you running? No? Is the chair ready, Sebastian? Yeah! Alright, let's get another chair out. Alright, now this time you gotta walk backwards. We're gonna tune it up. Now you gotta walk backwards. Walk backwards, but be careful. Here we go, walk backwards. This way, yeah, that's not nice. Walk backwards. There you go. Turn around. Be careful. Be careful. Come on, Sebastian, you got it. Careful. Sebastian, ready, Sebastian? Sebastian, hurry! Yeah! Alright. Sebastian, you're out. That's okay. Yeah. Round of applause for Sebastian, guys. Good job there. Good job, Sebastian. Alright, here we go. Now you gotta skip. Alright. Skip forward. Skip. If you're not skipping, it will kick you out. And Josiah. Guzman, get a chair roll. All right, Felicia. All right, here we go. Oh, that was a chair. What up? Somebody's got to get out. Who's not in a chair? Everybody has a chair. You have a chair? All right. Get up. Let's take a chair out, ladies. All right, this time you gotta clap as you walk. Clap as you walk. Everybody, just keep going. Clap, you gotta clap your hands. Music's still going. Still down. Ryan, Skeletor, thank you for playing, sir. Everybody got a chair? Oh, big Mike, what happened? Terrible, Mike. All right, here we go. Take one chair out, here we go. Who's gonna win it? Hands behind your back. Whoa, chair right here. It looks like JJ's out. Oh, JJ. Terrible, JJ. All right, here we go. Backwards. Walk backwards. Careful. Uh-oh. She looks like she's out. Sorry, you're out, sweetheart. Last try. Alright, here we go. Now you got a bunny hop, bunny hop, bunny hop, bunny hop. Bunny hops anymore, I don't know what that is. Whoa, 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 wait for the music. Riley's out, Riley's out. Roadrunners out. Alright, let's stand up so we can fix the chairs. Stand up so we can fix the chairs. Alright, now we gotta hop on one leg. Hop on one leg forward. Here we go. Go! Who's that? Lucio! Later, Lucio! Alright, here we go. One more chair now. Slide, do a little slide. Stop. Ready for the music. Ready for the music. One more direction. Up. And Sergio, come. Bye. Here we go. We got 5 left. 5 left. Who's that? Uh-oh, who's out? Who's out? And as far as JD, let the ladies finish, JD. Alright, we got 4 left, 3 chairs. 4 left and 3 chairs. Now we gotta skip. Let's skip. I didn't say hop. Skip. Good. Who's out now? We got 3 left, 2 chairs. Uh-oh. How many of y'all want JD to win? Oh my. How many of y'all want Andrew to win? Alright, here we go. Now you gotta walk in the circle with your eyes closed. Close your eyes. I want you. Close your eyes. Don't touch the chair. Your hands are behind your back. Close your eyes. Keep them closed. Keep them closed. Don't touch the chair. And we got give it up for JD. JD's the winner. All right, Juniors, can we get those chairs back up? As soon as the cheerleaders get those chairs picked up, our band is going to play a little bit of rhythm for us while our cheerleaders perform. Very good. Land of 1,000. Sebastian's leading, guys. Here we go, girls. Sit up. Do what you gotta do. Land of 1,000, right now. If any of you don't wanna dance with the girls, you may come up very quietly, carefully, and follow along with our cheerleaders. Alright, here we go, Miss Liz. We are about 3 seconds. 2. Sorry. And alright, here we go, guys. Let's give it up for our band, guys. Alright, great job, great job. Alright, up next. Hold on. We're gonna do another song by the band. Whenever you're ready, guys. Once again, guys, round of applause for our band going to area this weekend. Don't forget to come out and support our football team tomorrow, 7:30 here in Hall. Alright, before we get started with the spirit stick, Mr. Montemayor would like to tell you guys about the incentive for next week. The class that has more than 92% or higher, 92% or higher, all week will have a pizza party and an extra 30 minutes. So make sure you come to school, guys. Alright, up next we got our class yell. So make your way to your area. Please be careful. Please do not throw anything to it. Please do not throw the poppers. Be very careful. Be very careful. Do not put anybody on your shoulders. Do not put anybody on your shoulders. Can I have Mr. Guerra, our head teacher, Norman Sander? He's going to be our judge. Yes, he is. Hey, you can go no back over there. Alright, so stand right here in the middle. And the ICL kids. Alright. Where my cheerleaders at? Here we go. We'll start with our freshmen. Do you remember what to say? Hey, you freshmen, what do you say? Word for the Warriors all the way. You have to say the quote, word for the Warriors all the way. Alright. Sophomores, juniors, and seniors, follow down so you can hear. Here we go. That was our freshman. We need a little work. We need a little work. Alright, here we go. to hurt somebody. Go back to our spots. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Kaylee Ann, whenever you're ready. All right, here we go. Yeah, round of applause. All right. All right, here we go. Football team, let's get a break so we can get going. Loud and proud. Don't forget, Friday night, Santa Rosa. Versus Northwest. Here we go. Here we go. Out, boys, out, boys.